Hello, and welcome to our Microsoft Excel Basic course. In this course, we shall start as a beginner and shall gain sufficient skills and knowledge about Microsoft Excel which are required for doing basic work in Microsoft Excel. Let's have a small introduction to Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application that allows users to organize, store, and analyze data. It is a powerful tool for managing and analyzing data, and it is widely used in businesses, organizations, and educational institutions. Excel provides a range of features and tools for entering, editing, and formatting data, as well as for performing calculations and analysis. It also includes a wide range of functions that can be used to perform various tasks, such as calculating sums, averages, and other statistical measures, as well as looking up and referencing data from other cells or sheets. Excel is available as a standalone application, as well as part of the Microsoft Office suite of productivity tools. It is available for Windows and Mac operating systems, and it can also be accessed through a web browser or mobile app. Overall, Excel is a versatile and powerful tool that can help users organize, analyze, and present data in a variety of ways. Let's know the contents of this course. 1. Entering and editing data in cells. 2. Working with rows, columns, and sheets. 3. Basic operators in Excel. 4. Basic formulas and functions. 5. Sorting and filtering data. 6. Navigating the Excel interface. 7. Formatting cells and applying cell styles. 8. Sorting and filtering data. 9. Creating tables. 10. Adding conditional formatting. Let's start the basic Excel course.